What's up, everyone? This is Superdell, and today I got another video for you. Now, I am happy to let you know I will show you how to do the first initial setup, and then in another video I'm going to show you how to add third-party applications to cut the cable cord to this device here. This is the new Tivo Stream 4K. This is a nice device that's running the Android TV OS. OS stands for operating system. So if you're familiar with the Mi Box, if you're familiar with the Nvidia Shield, then you definitely will be good to go with this. So on the screen, you see the Tivo up here. So I do have one that's ready to go, but I do want to show you exactly what's in the box. So when you get your device, of course, you're going to get the dongle, all right, and it has the Tivo logo on there. At the bottom, you got your USB to power. So you got that right here. Also, you got your Type-C, which I will be doing some videos on that too. Very, very nice. Also in the box, of course, you get your USB and your power brick, all right, to power the device up. Now, some people are going to say, can I plug it directly into my USB on my TV? And yes, you can. But they do also suggest that you just use this. So it will power from the USB on your TV if it's powerful enough, or if not, definitely use the included power adapter and micro USB cord. It does come with the Peanut remote control. Very, very nice. They got the Tivo logo button right there for the Tivo Stream application. It does have the Google Assistant and a dedicated button. So it's pretty straightforward right there. Straightforward. Now, what I'm going to discuss with you, all right, this is the biggest competitor, all right. The biggest competitor to this device is, Android TV boxes, all right. This is an Android TV box. Also, Mi Box. Some of y'all are familiar with that. Also the Fire Stick, all right. And in some ways, guys, because it has the Google Assistant, this is a competitor too, all right. As of right now, the only way you can get this device is to go to tivo.com. It is not in your Best Buys, it's not in your Micro Centers, your Walmarts, your Target. It is not in none of them retail places right there. So with that being said, guys, let me put a couple of these items out of my way. Let me put this back in the box, and we're going to get this party started right now. If you're not subscribed to this channel, definitely subscribe to this channel. And that way you learn how to cord cut the correct way. All right, so let me set that to the side. So the first thing you do, all right, when you get it, and again, I'm going to do a separate video to add the third-party applications, all right? But the first thing is asking you to pair your remote control. This is the Peanut remote control. It's telling you to hit the Tivo button and the go back button. All right. Once you follow that, you somewhat got to be kind of quick. You may have to do it twice, but once you press those two buttons, you will see the orange light turn solid red. So, and that's all it's doing is looking for the device. And so on your screen, which I'm looking at right now, it should change over. All right, and once it changes over, you hit English. And then if you want to set it up with your TV, or it says quickly set up with your TV, with your Android phone. I'm going to hit skip for that, guys. All right, this is where you go and set up your network. You find your name, and then you go from there. I'm gonna put this video on pause and then come back and we'll get going. All right. Okay, guys, so after you choose your network name and you put in your password for your Wi-Fi, then you go from here. All right, so now because it is a Android TV and it's ran by Google, you got to sign in. So when you go here, you click sign in. You can use the remote control, which is a little bit lengthy, or you can use your phone or computer. I'm gonna choose to use the phone or computer. I'm gonna choose that option because I just think it is so much easier. All right, so once you go into it, I am going to look at my second monitor that is right here, and I'm gonna go to the setup right now. All right, so let me type in what is that, Android TV. So I'm gonna use androidtv.com/setup. So it's as simple as that. Use your phone or use your computer. All right, so once you see it, it just says enter this code. So I'm gonna show you exactly how it looks. All right, so on your phone, you should see something like this. All right, you should see something like that, and that's when you would just enter your code, all right, on your phone or on your computer. All right, so I'm gonna enter this code right here, 969309, and then we should go from there. And then it's going to tell me what account I want to use. So I'm gonna use my Superdell account. I'm gonna just hit sign in. And there you go, it says success. So it's as simple as that, guys. It's not hard at all. Just follow the instructions and you will be successful. Of course, you got to agree to the terms of service. You don't have to use your location, but if you want to, you can say yes. If not, you can say no. I'm gonna just choose no for right now. If you want to help improve Android, you can just select yes. I'm gonna just say no for right now. And then it tells you about the Google Assistant, all right? And then you just hit continue. All right, of course, you can go through if you want to read services and your privacy, you can. I'm gonna just hit continue. And then you can turn on personal results. You can say turn on. I'm gonna just say no thanks for right now, but you choose what you want. From here, guys, they give you a list of applications, all right? As you see, it's on the highlighted blue. If you hit your left directional button on your remote control right here, if you go down, of course, you see some applications. Now, you can install all of these, or if you don't want to install them, you can just uncheck this right here. So if you click on this option and put uncheck, oops, sorry about that. I'm hitting the wrong option. You can just go down here and actually choose the ones you want. And so you see me going through, I'm choosing the ones that I want on the device. I don't want Facebook. I don't want STB. Now from Google, there's no way to get rid of this. As you see, they are all shaded and there is just no way to get through it. These are going to be on your devices, all right? But for these that are highlighted, you could choose install all, or you could just move forward. Once you have your selection, you can go to continue, click continue. And it just says your TV stream 4K is powered by Android TV. All right, so once you do that, guys, you just go through. You just keep hitting the right directional button. You know how it is. Some of y'all who are familiar with the Mi Box or the Nvidia Shield or any other device that's running an Android operating system, y'all know we got to go through this. But it's as simple as that. It just lets you know you can cast. The last option, you can cast from your phone, your computer to this device. Now from here, guys, it's telling you got to go to Tivo and activate this device. And then you got to use this code right here. So we're going to go to tivo.com and we're going to go ahead and activate. All right, so let's do that right now. I'm doing this on my computer. So it's tv.com. What is this? Activate / what's this, stream 4K. All right, so let's do it. Let's see. And I'm going on here. So it's telling me I gotta, let me do that again. HTTPS, all right, / www.tivo, what's that, .com / activate / stream 4K. All right, so I think I'm good to go now. All right, so I'm just waiting. And so it's going to have you go to your tivo.com. Well, I'm saying tivo.com and actually activate your device. And once you enter those credentials, of course, you got to sign in to your Tivo and go through all of that, and then you should be good. So let me go and sign in, and then I'm gonna come back to this. Okay, guys, I do want to show you this right here. So once you go over, right, and you go to this URL right here and you sign into your Tivo account, which I did, you should come to something like this. All right, let me make this a little bit bigger. All right, you're gonna put your code, the activation code, which is right here. You're going to enter that right here. So let's do that now. What is that? Let me just say 6. Nope, C, Charlie, 6X. What's that? 6J7. 6J7. So as you see it right there, I did enter that code. For right here, guys, it says, please type the code below. You're going to enter this. So that looked like a small Z, a capital D, 7S, right? That's what it looked like. And so once you enter this code right here, you just go ahead and click activate device. And if everything is good, you should be successful. All right, it should come through and clean this up right here. All right. And there you have it right there. As you see the screen switched over, said welcome to Tivo. You just grab your remote, and then you just go down to continue. And it's going to ask you to make some selections. You can click whatever you like. I'm going to just click these two. I'll say Modern Family, which I don't know, The Simpsons. So they just basically trying to see what you like, you know, what do they'll like. All right. So I'm just click it and click 48. So again, you just customize, and they just trying to get a feel for what you like. All right, Sopranos. And then I'm gonna say, hey, finish personalizing. Then it's gonna go to the TV shows, the comedy right here. You could just select what you want. And then I'm gonna just hit next. You know, again, you could choose what you want. Fear the Walking Dead, Z Nation. All right, you hit next. 60 days, reasonable doubt. And then you can just go down here and actually finish TV shows. All right, from there, you can choose your options. I don't have Sling TV. I do have Netflix. I don't have HBO Now. I do have Prime Video, Hulu, Disney, but I do not have Google Play, all right, for movies and TVs. And then I just hit finish. So everything is going to fix everything, get everything together, and you should get this right here that's on your screen. Okay, this is the first initial setup for getting your Tivo stream 4K up and going. Guys, it is not that hard. Yeah, they do want a little bit of information, but at the end of the day, they just trying to get you up and going. All right, now I will do another video. This is just the unboxing and how to do the first setup. Now the next video I will do, which will be very, 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 very easy, how to add third-party applications to your device. All right, so as you see, it's going through, it's trying to update. When you see all of this happening, it's just trying to update the applications and everything. Don't get freaked out. All right, don't get freaked out. But this is the first initial setup. I don't want this video to be too long, but this is what you get when you first get the Tivo Stream 4K, guys. Again, this is in competition with the Fire TV Cube, along with the Fire TV 4K stick or the Fire Stick and the Mi boxes or any budget Android TV box. All right, guys, happy streaming. I'm glad y'all, or I'm hoping that you like this video. If you do, thumbs up the video, share this video, that way it can help someone. All right, salute to everyone. Look forward to doing that second video shortly. All right, let's go. I'm out. Peace.